Good day to you. Right now, I want to take you through how to register on XM Broker platform. XM is a very reliable broker. They have easy to use platform, very simple and easy to use, and the spreads are tight, and they have good customer service. So what we want to do now is to open a real trading account on the platform. So we want to open a real trading account on the platform. So we click on open an account. Then the first name, we'll fill in the first name. Then we'll fill in the middle name. Then the last name. Then the country is already filled. In my own case, English. Then the phone number. Fill in the phone number. We will now add the first zone. Then we'll fill in the email address. Then in this case, I want to choose MT5. Then we click on account type. What we want to open is standard account. So let's look at it again. We have different forms of accounts. So in this case, we are selecting standard account. Then we click on confirm. Then we proceed to step 2. Then the date of birth, we fill the date of birth. And city, pardon. Then we'll fill the address. Okay. This is where the address is supposed to be. And the street number 1. Then you select whether you are a US citizen or in this case. Then your account-based currency, we are selecting US dollar. Then the leverage, we are leaving it on the highest one, which is 1:1888. Then the bonus type, I want to receive bonus. Investment amount 0 to 20,000. Then intended purpose of speculative, you can select any for this. Employment status, retired in this case. Source of fund, savings, level of education, master's degree, total amount income 50 to 100,000, that's per annum. Then total estimated net worth 100 to 500,000. You can select any as applicable to you. The knowledge, relevant professional qualification. Okay, that's trading knowledge. How many times have you personally traded? More than 25 times. Have you tried? I traded 25 times over derivatives. Yes. Account password. Let me pause this video so that I can put the password. Confirmation will confirm the account. So let's quickly go through our form so that we'll look at what we feel, whether everything is intact and correct. Okay. Okay. Good. Open a real account. So that is how to open a real account with XM Global. It's very simple and straightforward. Then what you do next is to confirm your email address. Then you upload your ID documents for account verification. Once it's approved, you can fund your account and start trading. So it is simple and straightforward. If you look at the message part of this video, just scroll below the video, you'll see the link which you can use to open your XM Global account. Like I said, they are very reliable and they have tight spread. They have a very good and simple platform to use. Thank you very much for watching this video.